Social distancing is tough when we're used to seeing family and friends. One of the ways that we can help that is by doing a video call. If you've got a Gmail account already, all you need to do is go to the little waffle up in the right-hand corner there, those 9 little dots. If you click that on and you scroll down till you see Hangouts and click that on, you'll be able to make a video call. Now, the first time that you do it, you probably won't have this pop-up of your contacts, so you may be just clicking on video call. You click on video call, you're going to need to give permission here to your camera and microphone. So mine's telling me I need to click inside my URL box here to allow for permissions to go through. So if I click on my little lock here, then I'm going to unblock by hitting allow for my camera and allow here. And you may just have a simple pop-up on your screen that says, do you allow camera and microphone? And you just click yes. So it all depends on how your computer is set up, but this is the toughest way of having to do that is by going into the URL. Easiest way, again, as I said, will be by just having a pop-up. So you may have to reload. If you don't get a reload button, you can certainly just click into your URL here, hit your enter button, and it will reload your page. So now I'm ready to make a video call. I'm just going to press this. It'll open up a new window for me. And I'm in here already. And I can invite people just by simply typing in their email address. And I haven't invited anybody. Nobody knows I'm on right now. So I would just click in the name here. I could also copy this link and put it into an email and set up a time in advance. So really, really super easy. Just clicking it on. It's already copied to my clipboard, put it in an email, all set to go. If I want to do this right away, I just need to put in the person's name, hit invite, and it will automatically give a phone call on the other end. And if that person is out there at the moment, they'll join me and we'll have our conversation. So it's as simple as that. I can also invite more people by clicking this button. I can click this button to invite more people. I can open up here to send a message to everyone in the call, so we can have a little chat going on here too. And it's really quite easy to do. We've done this at Christmas time when my sister was in Korea with her husband, now husband, teaching there, and we were able to sit down and have dinner together, you know. Games, I'm trying to figure out right now, how are we going to play bananagrams that we love to play with my parents, but I'm sure we'll figure something out, and so this is a great tool to help us feel like we're all there together.